Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for deep dives into the best products the market has to offer. Today, we're reviewing one of the best seed starter kits available online, the Bonviee 5-pack seed starter tray with Grow Light. If you're a gardening enthusiast looking to jumpstart your indoor plant growing journey, this might be the perfect addition to your toolkit. Let's dive straight into why this seed starter kit is creating buzz among home growers. First off, the Bonviee kit includes 5 complete sets of clear seed trays, base trays, elevated humidity domes, and adjustable vents. What sets it apart, though, is the built-in Grow Light system. Each unit comes with full-spectrum LED lamp beads designed to replicate natural sunlight. That means your seedlings can thrive even in low-light indoor settings. Whether it's herbs, veggies, or flowers, the light supports all stages of plant growth by accelerating photosynthesis. It's a powerful way to give your plants a healthy start from day one. Now, take a look at the lid design. It's elevated, and that's intentional. Unlike many trays with shallow domes, Bonviee gives you extra vertical room. This is especially helpful if your seedlings grow tall quickly or if you're working with larger seed types. The added height makes this kit more versatile and long-lasting. You won't need to transplant your seedlings prematurely due to space constraints. Material-wise, Bonviee doesn't compromise. The trays are made of thickened PVC plastic, not the flimsy kind that cracks after one use. They're sturdy and meant to be reused multiple times, season after season. While they're durable, it's worth noting that they're intended for indoor use, so avoid leaving them exposed to outdoor elements for extended periods. Another thoughtful feature is the transparent cell tray. This allows you to observe the entire germination process without disturbing the seedlings. You can see root development, moisture levels, and soil conditions clearly, which helps you adjust your watering and lighting schedules with precision. The adjustable humidity domes are a game changer. Each dome has a small circular vent that you can open or close to control airflow and moisture. This gives you better control over the microenvironment inside the dome. Especially important in the early days when consistency is key to germination. And yes, everything comes in a full package. 5 seed trays, 5 humidity domes, and 5 LED-equipped vent caps. No need to buy separate grow lights or covers, it's a ready-to-go setup. Just add your favorite seeds and some quality potting mix, and you're on your way. To wrap things up, the Bonviee 5-pack seed starter tray with Grow Light hits all the right marks. Thoughtful design, durable materials, and full-spectrum lighting make it a standout option. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced indoor gardener, this kit offers a complete, high-performance solution to germinate your seeds successfully. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this kit looks like the right fit for your indoor garden, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews like this one. See you next time.